the person comes, it's the fear of God, unknown fear of God. We just don't know. We just don't know. That's why we got so many God.
Believing in that.
So I think if people at this age they're so rational, and of course they're one of the few who dare to come and dare to know that there is something like this, a tie like an organization, leave apart this program in totality. But the thing is, then this passion has to carry on for a certain time. There are so many internal pressures. Like in US, well, like you've been there, I've never been. But what I know from common knowledge from movies or otherwise, that at 14, 16, the parents kick out their children.
Yeah, they do.
Go fend for yourself. If you are extremely good, after 12, the country will support you for the finest education. But then you have to be really good for that. Else 12th is more than enough to live your living. So I feel we cannot overnight become that kind of society. And neither do we want to become that kind of society. It has its own ills. But I feel that starting at a younger age, basic tenets of entrepreneurship, Dhirubhai starting at 17 or Bill Gates starting at 18. I mean, if Bill Gates was to be the finest IT guy, considered to be one of the finest IT geeks of his time, then he should have gone to an MIT student, did his MTech. But you don't find the reverse true in the entrepreneurial world.
He's a dropout.
He's a dropout. And I think he's Anand Mahindra's classmate. They studied together. Anand Mahindra and
I have a question, sorry, keeping the time and the tag of the event in mind. What we also come to, and a lot of our members also share this with us, would I like you to comment followed by their comments.
Sure.
About the family businesses and the family expectations of their sons, daughters' business, mainly the sons.
I mean, is it in text like the father is already?
Yeah, father is a professional, let's say.
Okay, he's a professional.
And the son, he wants him to be also the professional.
Okay.
He is a creative guy. There's a son also, he expects him also to join his line. Right? There is a psychological aspect to it, there is a professional aspect to it also. How does the father understand first that how much to expect? Right, number one. And number two, what should the son or the daughter do?
I think probably it's a psychological aspect of the father because the level
let him answer, then we go to you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Personally, I feel, in Three Idiots, if you see, the guy doesn't have the guts to go to his father and say that I will be the best photographer. But one guy has got the guts to do whatever he wants. One, it is inborn. Do you have it in you? Are you that rebellious type? Do you have the guts to go and talk to your father or mother, whatever the case may be, whatever the scenario may be? Some people are meek, somebody are outbound. That is one. That is goes down to the individual level. Second comes to the father's level. Father feels that at the end of the day, you are 25. I have 30 years of experience in the real Indian world. He's saying that don't tell Papa how to do blah blah blah. So what
But I think he should also respect his father. Listen to him to an
extent. He better respect his father to the extent he feels that the father understands. Like my father said one thing to me. When I was in the hotel industry, you rarely get holidays. So I was 1 year in Bangalore, and after 1 year I came for 15 days and used to travel by train. And Bangalore, Delhi is 36 hours, so 48 hours gone traveling up and down. My father just said one thing to me. He said, I don't understand your word, but as basic human psychology, I feel there is something wrong with it. You should get a leave in 6 months. He said, I don't understand your industry. So I'm saying from that tenets, he can come up and say journal experiences of his life may not pertain to the industry in particular which you are in. If my father was in defense, or if he was a government servant, or he was a private world, if I were to become a doctor, I'm sure he cannot understand my nuances. But he can say some very basic things which can help me of life. But I think it's got a lot to do with family to family. Some families are over-imposing on their children. Some families let them be. So I think it depends from family to family. So it is that individual, the family, and the kind of exposure he can get. So I feel this is which weighs more, which weighs less is a very difficult thing to say. To each his own, that kind of thing. But at the end of the day, I would say the individual matters.
I think it's a lot of family support. Because only when you give space to the children, only then they can go out. Because there are instances like children are becoming IS officers with folks being washermen and ironing clothes and all that. I'm sure if that guy staying in those slums can dream big, I'm sure he's got that support from his parents. Otherwise they would say, यार तेरी औकात क्या है यार, तू IS officer बनेगा बैठ के. So I believe that whatever children whosoever have achieved something in life, I'm sure that they've got very good support from the family.
Yeah, but that's
Small
not
anecdote.
No.
Can I say a small
No,
anecdote to it?
what I mean to say is family support is essential for
Can I
success
say a
in
small
life.
anecdote to it?
Yeah.
There were two sons, Ram and Sham. The father used to be a heavy drinker in society. Sham became the biggest dacoit. And Ram said that because my father used to drink, I learned. So I think
These
it boils
polarities
down to
can
a lot
come
to the
in.
individual also.
No, those polarities can always come in. Of course, the parents can see
Of
that
course, their role
they are
cannot be
transparent. The children are
mitigated.
transparent to parents. They know whether he's genuine or not. So I think parents.
I think
Probably where a father or
the exposure also matters actually.
Absolutely.
Families usually in India they are not so much exposed
I agree. And they don't want to be
and they
also.
don't want to actually.
नहीं, मैं कहूँगा एक धोबी का बच्चा हाउस को क्या एक्सपोजर हुआ होगा, आईएएस की लाइफ क्या होगी?
I agree with that.
Did he have the confidence to sit down at raw classes or
Very
get trained?
difficult.
It's very difficult.
Very difficult. Practically impossible.
It's impossible. So I'm sure there was a support.
See, I think that's what we say that let natural forces prevail.
Yeah.
There will be very few from that lot. But don't see, someday Tata must be a very common man like you and me.
Yeah.
Somebody in the family had got the guts and the balls.
Yeah.
Now the thing is, we did this huge conversation in our office when Lehman collapsed. We said it survived the 1929-30 depression. It's a 100-plus-year-old company. At least 7-8 generations must have passed, assuming it was a family-run concern or some majority holding of some particular, or let's say Ford Corporation. One generation finished. Finished is the word. And not a name even remains. Had it been sold, it's been sold, but the name is also gone. So the thing is, one person in the family has to walk that extra mile. Invariably, what we find in Chandigarh, father humble होता है, वो अभी भी चला जाएगा एस्टीक में, बेटा वो BMW, Audi या चंडीगढ़ में sometimes feel they are more than the Marutis. It's because the second generation who don't know the value of money. The father is still simple and humble because he has walked that extra mile to be where he is today. You go to any farmer of Punjab. I have a client. He had got this money when the airport was carved out. Government rate of 1.5 crores and no tax because when government is acquiring there is no tax and all white. He had some 7 acres. He got some, I've forgotten, some 10 or 11 crores white money. He came in a broken Zen car, old one. I said, Meka ji, इन्ना तो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ इंटरेस्ट महीने ਦਾ ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਖੇਤ ਹੈ ਵੇਚ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਖੇਤ ਲੈ ਲੈ बिलीव यू मी इफ यू आर हम लोग होते हैं ना कुछ ना कुछ तो उसका ले ही लेते
ये पेरेंट्स का भी बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन रहता है कि व्हेन ओके दे वॉक द एक्स्ट्रा माइल दे हैव टू ट्रेन द किड आल्सो टू वॉक एन एक्स्ट्रा माइल जस्ट बिकॉज they have that money to blow or give them to make the children more comfortable. It's out of affection or love or whatever, or they are blackmailed by the children. There are instances like that also. It's even if you are affluent, you have to make the child go through that caterpillar rigmarole or whatever. You have to make that how to go from a metamorphosis from a caterpillar to a butterfly. He has to go through that.
एक को तो जनरेशन में जी किसी ना किसी को ना कोई वो होता है जिसको एक अपनी जनरेशन पूरी लगानी पड़ती है आगे कुछ तो आप पूरे अमेरिका में देख लो एनीबॉडी लो
और जो कनाडा में जो आर सेइंग कि वन जनरेशन बिजनेस हाउसेस रह जाते हैं वो वही रह जाते हैं who have not been able to train their offshoots properly.
But
we have Jamnalal Bajaj, okay, his sons Rahul Bajaj and all. They were made to go for 2-3 years through those as a club. They started off. Gradually they were trained into it. I think this
even today it happens, but I
From
think
Harvard and all
it is
those places.
very few people who do it.
yeah, that's the
You
reason.
know what Bill Gates' father said to him? Bill Gates' father was a very rich advocate. I mean, rich. I mean, may not be the words, but he's a fairly rich man. In my school, one of my teachers has said that the deadliest combination on this earth is when you are rich and you are intelligent. You can rock the world. See, people are intelligent, they have ideas, they don't have money. People have money, they are going the same old ideas. So they are fairly rich. But they don't go over the top. He was rich, he was intelligent, and he got the guts. Now, that's a very rare combination. This is a very rare combination. We have all the three. And then, of course, it's that individual thing finally, which, see, I have also seen circumstances when see in India at the end of the day we are Indian, we may talk about whatever. वो पेरेंट्स उसको प्रेशराइज करें आप इंजीनियर बन जाओ ये बन जाओ जब वो 30 साल का हो जाता है एंड सी आवर सोसाइटी इज नॉट व्हाट दे लुक इनसाइड दे लुक एट द नेबर हम तो अपने को देखते हैं अपने को देखे तो बड़े सुखी हैं हम तो साथ वाले को देखते हैं जी ठीक है वो कहते हैं जी कि उसका बेटा यहाँ पहुँच गया तू 30 साल पे यही है और बेटा कहता है बापू तूने तो मुझे बोला इंजीनियर मैं तो बनना ही नहीं चाहता था देन द फादर ऑल्सो रेजेस हैंड कहता है मुझे नहीं पता तू सक्सेसफुल हो जा अब वो 30 पे यू गॉट हिम मैरिड ही सेड आई वांट टू मैरी एट 29 नहीं 25 में सारी दुनिया करती है मेरे को तो बेटा चाहिए ये चाहिए आपने उसको बांध भी दिया आपने उसको पत्थर डाल दिए ही इज लोडेड नॉट विद मनी लोडेड विद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नाउ ही सेज नाउ यू बी सक्सेसफुल और एटलीस्ट बी सक्सेसफुल इन अ रिलेटिव सेंस व्हाट माय नेबर इज so I think I'm not trying to put the blame on parents as such I think at the end of the day does the individual have that he has to have that offshoot वो कहीं ना कहीं तो टहनी में से उसको अपनी ब्रांच आउट नॉट लीविंग द फैमिली आई मीन इन आइडियाज इन व्हाटएवर ही वांट्स टू डू
What do you think should be the age? America is 14-15. What do you think age is?
I think at least 21 to 25 somewhere in between that depending on again the family I think 14 18
What is your opinion on that?
Like because I came here because like I didn't want कि बाद में जाके मैं ये सोचूं कि यार मैं पहले कर लेता है that's what
कॉलेज से पहले होना चाहिए ओरिएंटेशन
I have heard people say like कि तू या तो exactly what he said like 30 से पहले कर ले या फिर तू देख ले
So fixed mindsets हैं, fixed numbers हैं.
मतलब I think कि 2-3 years of experience with a good company
Is important.
is important. ठीक है, you make connections with people, then you start your own thing. Like I want to start my own thing about just when I get out of college, like 1 or 2 years with some company, and then I start my own thing. I don't want to look back कि मैं यार ये कर लूँ.
I feel that why 2-3 years is important. I'll tell you in a pure marketing and a sales, pure sales sense. Like as you rightly said, I'm not drawing from your what you said, just grabbing your words. You said very aptly that कोई काम नहीं करना चाहता. Now what used to happen when I joined, hotel management work, the hotel work is not sales work. It's a different kind of work. But when I was in Citibank, we were doing a lot of sales, financial sales, and we had stringent targets. Citi is known for its targets. That has given me enough confidence that even if the client says 10 times no, the 11th time he may go with me. But for a new guy, तो कहते उसने business को देना नहीं, मैं जाके because he has got no experience to give him confidence back. ये होगा, ये 10वीं बार नहीं होगा, 100वीं बार होगा. बट जो वो 100वीं बार हो रहा है, वो 100वीं बार की जैसे नहीं होगा. जो 99 मैंने पहले किए हैं, वो जाके अब माना है मेरे को. I first few calls in the bank, one client said to me, said काका तेरी उम्र कितनी है? मैं कहा सर मैं 24 साल था. कहना बेटा 30 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, तू मेरे को 10 लाख की चीज़ की बेचेगा. Now I went back and analyzed what he said, and at the end of the day I wanted to be successful in my career. I said ये तो फिर सारे मोटे पैसे तो 50 के ऊपर ही होते हैं, इसको तो कभी ले ही नहीं पाऊंगा. Then I said one thing to me, what he said is right. I have to respect him because that is correct. But then I have to go and impress him with my knowledge, with my tact. I can't show experience. But with my knowledge and my tact, I can go and bombard him and show it to him. See, I still do one thing. Whenever we have to say, you'll get 12.4% return, we take out the calculator. These guys above 60 who are really thick and thin with business, नहीं करना. वो हाँ या ना का फैसला कर लेते हैं. हमसे हाँ ना का फैसला नहीं होता हमारी जनरेशन से easily.
Decision making.
Actually,
It's very slow.
Decision making के लायक तो हमें बनाया ही नहीं जाता ना. It's law of education again. We come back to that. Like when I just take
Are you a
one.
father?
Huh?
Are you a father?
No.
You're not. Okay.
We decided not to have kids. So I'll just take 1 minute
Please.
regarding that education thing. Like we have teachers. Who are that lot? That's a big question mark. Out of the whole lot which is settled
90%
somewhere,
are not successful people in life. 90%.
90% are like that.
10%
Or
must be
somebody like, okay, go earn something for yourself. Lipstick powder का खर्चा आ गया, time pass हो गया, because you have got 2, 3, 4 hours with you. फिर आपको बच्चों का ध्यान रखना, family का ध्यान रखना. So that kind of teachers we have. So how can they suggest these kind of young dynamic students? Because they are far ahead
उसका
than those kind of teachers.
उसका reason पता है क्या है?
I believe lack of knowledge is to be blamed. The thing is, when you go to, you're in 10th, teacher will say, pass 10, it's important. You have to choose your stream. Okay, you pass it. You go to 12th. It is important, you have to go to a college. But no one tells you what you're going to do basically. You are going to college, okay? For example, you are in college, you are in 12th, okay? They will tell you, you have to go to IIM. No one tells you why. I mean, there is the why. No one tells you what you're going to do with your MBA basically. People think, I will do MBA, I will start a business. But they don't know what is in those studies. If you ask a 12th guy, what are you going to do in engineering? Never.
See,
no
like
one
what you
knows.
said about failure, what I feel is, I'll give you an example in my office. There is a back office girl who looks after the admin. So, she would call me first. I said, ma'am, आपको एक सैलरी दी जा रही है, आप डिसीजन लो, कहते फिर आप डांटोगे. I said, अगर आप गलत करोगे तभी डांटूंगा ना, अगर आप ठीक करोगे तो मेरा तो काफी काम आपने कम कर दिया. Now the thing is, in general, is she ready to take the responsibility or not? जैसे आपने बोला, वो failure कह लीजिए, experiment कह लीजिए, any word you look at it. So like Anupam Kher said on the TV, आपकी अदालत, he said, कहता मैं अपनी क्लास में fail हो गया. And he belonged to very normal background. He was 7 brothers.
His father was my neighbor in Shimla.
Yeah, so he said that his father took him to some restaurant in Shimla where मटन के समोसे बड़े फेमस थे. And they said कि हमारे घर में जब मटन के समोसे मतलब कि बड़ी पार्टी की बात है. कहता मैं फेल हुआ, मेरे पापा लेके गए. He said have this samosa. कहता अब तू successful हो जाएगा लाइफ. If you can handle failure, then you can, or you can say experimentation of failure or whatever.
Probably in our country, the definition of education no one understands. I believe that you told your back office assistant to take up the responsibility. I believe that was education. Education doesn't happen in school.
Absolutely.
Education happens anywhere. We are getting educated.
Education
from
is everywhere, whether school or not. And thank you, Bhamit.
Really appreciate
Thank
you
you for
calling
the
me.
invite.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Really an interactive session. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.